Hey guys, Leon today. Got me another portable monitor. This one is a 15-inch portable monitor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this up to my iPad Pro that I have here. If you own an iPad, you know that the screen is kind of small, and sometimes you just want to dock it into your setup so that you get a bigger monitor. If you have a Switch, you can plug these things into a Switch as well to play games with it. So yeah, these are pretty useful these days. I see tons of these, but this one right here that I have is a 15-inch, and it comes with all the things that you need to hook up to your Switch or your iPad. So today we're gonna hook it up to the iPad and see if it works. So my use case is to see if I can just use one wire. It uses the USB-C port, right? And so with that, it can power the monitor and also charge it at the same time. Okay, so this cover looks good. It has a little flap right there to keep everything in place. Let's remove this film. This thing is really light, by the way. So mini display port, mini HDMI, Type-C. Hopefully I can just use a Type-C and that's it. Then there's the Type-C over here, that's for powering things up. The usual headphone jack. You know, obviously these, I don't know if you know, but there is speakers on these so that you can listen to music and stuff like that. All right, so there's quite a bit of mode that I can actually set on this thing. The one I have it on right now is movie mode, which gives the black a little bit more black than other modes. So I like that a lot more. And as you can see, it's not as bright as the iPad screen, but obviously, you know, you're paying the iPad price because of the screen. 16:9 aspect ratio when you plug the iPad in. So as you can see here, the iPad is kind of like a 4:3 ratio, depending on the angle that you have it on. Anyway, that's it right there. That's iPad with an external screen. This is a 15-inch, by the way. 11-inch iPad, 15-inch. That's it for me. I'm out.